Question 3, part 3rd. In this question, we have to draw the angle of 15 degree, and how we can draw. First of all, we will draw 60 degree angle, then bisect that angle, we will get 30, and then we can get the angle of 15 degree. So draw a ray, and here draw an arc of 60 degree. You can put the name of this ray as AB, and then open your compass with the convenient radius. You will mark an arc. In this way you can mark the arc like I have done. Then from here, with the same opening from the point C, you can mark another arc, which is the arc of 60 degree. So this is our 60 degree angle. So now we have to bisect this angle. So what we will do, first of all, we will join this point with the help of scale, and now we will bisect this 60 degree angle. So how can we bisect this angle? Same formula we will apply. We will open our compass more than half of CD, यानी हम CD के हाफ से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कंपास ओपन करेंगे. Now open your compass more than half of CD and take C as center, mark an आर्क. आप इस तरीके से अपने कंपास को ओपन कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट फ्रॉम डी मार्क अनदर आर्क विच कट्स द प्रीवियस आर्क, और नाउ वी ज्वाइन दिस इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट to the initial point of the ray. Students, now you got angle of 30 degree, or you can say angle EAB is of 30 degree. But we have to draw the angle of 15 degree. So what we will do, again we will draw a bisector of this 30 degree. So the same formula we will apply. We will open our compass more than half of this arc and mark an arc from the point C. हम C को सेंटर लेंगे और यहाँ से आर्क मार्क करेंगे with the opening more than half of this arc. After that, from this point you will mark the another arc which cuts the previous arc. और इस point of intersection को जो आपको clearly visible है, we will join with the initial point. So in this way we can draw this angle of 15 degree, and you will give the name of this angle. So the angle FAB is the required angle, and it is the angle of 15 degree. So how we have drawn, पहले 60 degree, then 30 and then 15. Now write the steps of construction. Side में जो है steps of construction लिखे हुए हैं, you can see and write, or you can write in your own language.